Hello guys, welcome back. In this fine class we will study how to pass a ledger after creating journal. So at last our journal portion have been completed and I have made you master in journal. If you have watched all the theory and all the 5 questions how to do in lab, because I had told you only manual labor was in journal part only. After creating journal everything is created automatically. I already told you that. So moving to the ledger part. So if you don't know how to pass journal and all, kindly go and watch that. First will be in I button or in below description box. Okay, so I have question how to pass journal, ledger and trial balance. In this question we will do up to trial balance, and in next class we will learn how to do trial balance. Okay, so all my students, write down this question and pass is journal and ledger in your notebook. And if any problem persists, I have made also an theoretical video out of what is ledger and how to pass ledger accounts. Okay, so go and watch that first and pause this video now. I'm waiting for you. Okay, so I assume that everybody have written down a question and have tried to do the solutions by themselves. Now just recheck your answer with the given solution, and I am extremely sorry for the black clarity being shown to you. Okay, so it's ledger accounts, it's what look like. So it's just a rough ledger account. Okay, so up to bank charges, just pause this video. Okay, and just recheck all. Okay, let's move to the class, man. Okay, just moving to the class, I have already created the company. Okay, and after that pass, and now your work is now pause this video. Okay, now create a company and pass the ledger accounts, and okay, and now pass the journal entry and come to me. Okay, I will also pause this video and do with yourself. Okay, so if any problem persists of company creation, ledger creation of journal entry, just go to the description box. Okay, I have already uploaded how to do it in detail. Okay, so I assume that everyone have done the journal entry part. Okay, now going to display to recheck. Okay, so it should have 18 accounts in your multiple ledger alter. It should have 18 accounts. Okay, while creating ledger creation. Okay, now giving period. Okay, now being detailed. Okay, and just showing the narrations also for beautiful presentation. Okay, this is what the journal entry looks like. Just pause this video and recheck. Okay, now the main part, how to record the journal, how to record the ledger. Now going to the display. Now going to accounts book. Okay, you have to go to accounts book, then go to ledger. Okay, and here automatically after recording journal, ledger have been passed. Okay, so see bank account, its closing balance is 7,600. See 7,000 bank account, see where it is, I will show you. See bank account 7,600, like purchase 3,500, it's its closing balance. Okay, now in purchase 3,500 should be its closing balance. Okay, so as I told, it's very simple. After recording journal, everything is simple entirely. Okay, so let me show you an account which have no closing balance, how it look like a Radesh account. Okay, Radesh account, where it is, man, Radesh. And again sorry for the black clarity, man. Okay, so yeah, Radesh account is here. See debit and credit have been tallied. Okay, so no closing balance is here. So let's see how it look like. Okay, so here no closing balance. See, so debit and credit have been tallied. So that's for the today's class, and please do like, share, subscribe, and in next class we will learn how to pass trial balance in tally, or how to do it in tally. Okay, so for that's all for today's class. Thank you and have a nice day.